Hi everyone, it's Alison Wood from nichelifesuccess.com, and today I'm going to be talking about how to add a background to text in Canva. So let's just go ahead and we'll create something very easy. Let's just say we're going to do an Instagram post, but obviously the same is true if you're putting text over video or anything like that. So we're going to add a background. So let's just put cute dog. I'm going to go to photos. We're going to find something. Let's use something like this because there's a lot going on in the picture. For some reason I can't drag that over. Oh, try that again. There we go. Okay, so you're going to add some text, so you just add the text there, and I'm going to put the best dog in the world. Okay, so we can make that a little bit bigger, and obviously if you were going to put the text up here, then no problem, you don't need a background to it. However, if you want to put the text down here, there's quite a lot going on there, so it would be difficult to read. So there's going to be all sorts of different circumstances where you want that text to stand out. So all you do is you just make sure that you've clicked on the text so that you can see the surround of that box, and then we're going to go up here to effects. And then there's all sorts of different effects that you can apply here, you know, like shadow, etc. But we're going to take it back to none. And then we're going to click here on background. And you can see that it's already got a background now. But you might not be keen on that colour. So we'll go back to it, go back to effects. And if you come down here, you can see the background colour is yellow. So we're going to change it. So we could change it to something like that. Obviously, if you wanted it the other way around, you could make this text white, and then you would want the background colour to be a darker colour. So let's go with, I don't know, something a bit pinker, don't we, to match the dog's shirt. Let's go with just something like that. So that's the colour there, and there are a couple of other things that you can do there. You can do like the spread, so you can make the sides wider if you want to. You can do roundness, so that's the corners, and also you can do transparency, and this is quite a nice one. So if you don't want it quite as blocky as that in the background, the colour, then you can slide that down and make the background come through a little bit more. And obviously if it was a darker colour still, if this colour here was darker, let's just go for a full-on black, then again you can see that you could probably take the transparency down a little bit more if you wanted to. And that's it. That is how to add a background to text in Canva. A lot of different things that you can do there. You can change the colour of the text, you can change the colour of the background, and it just makes it stand out even more. Hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you next time.